Hello, my name is Ramya. I am working as the Master Makeup Trainer at Lakme Academy Chennai. So for today, we are going to look out for some tips and tricks. First, I'll start with the Conto that is being on trend right now. Number one is the square Conto. So I'm going to do that in this side. And the other side I'll be doing the triangle contour, which basically we all do. Now let's just blend this and see the results. So I have done blending. If you see this side, you can see that snatched effect, and this side it is looking lifted. So in the madri contour neenga yarukku pannalana unga clients ku neenga pannalam, and contour like this you can do for shoots and your models. It will look very nice and snatched.